guys, Gramercy. Gramercy. Hi guys, so parade kami ngayon. So mamaya na ipagpatuloy yung ating competition. This is Mr. Borling. Saan ba si Mr. Ibid? Oh, gwapong gwapo. Gramercy, honor. Hi guys, we are now currently at Aqua Private Residences located here in, if I'm not mistaken, in Makati City. So this is the Aqua. Ibid! Dito ka sa amin! Yan guys, paparid na kami. Wala kaming news ngayon. Pero okay lang yan. Tuloy pa rin yung laban. Yan. Yan guys, madami-daming ano kan. Oh, palong-palong ah.